Welcome to the interior of my family car, a Tesla Model Y, with a white interior. This car's been thoroughly loved by our family, our dogs inside of it, our babies inside of it. It's gotten pretty dirty over the last couple of months, and so today we'd really like to demonstrate how easy it is to clean thanks to interior ceramic coating. Let's start in the back seat. This area has been well loved by our family. There's noticeable dog fur, dirty dog prints, and it's just faded from daily use. So with just a spray of all-purpose cleaner on a microfiber cloth, we're going to demonstrate just how effortless it is to clean an interior that's been ceramic coated. Now, let's remove the tape and see the difference. As you can see, the difference is striking. The side that received our quick, gentle cleaning is looking like brand new. And the best part, our interior ceramic coating service makes maintaining even white interiors a breeze. Say goodbye to the hassle of cleaning and hello to effortless cleanliness with AP3's interior ceramic coating. Makes maintaining even white interiors a breeze.